Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Systeme.io, an all-in-one platform that's designed to simplify managing and scaling your online business. If you've been juggling multiple tools for funnels, email marketing, and course hosting, stick around because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with the basics. Systeme.io is an intuitive platform built for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even creators who want a streamlined way to grow their businesses online. What makes it stand out is how much it packs into one tool at such an affordable price point. Pricing breakdown. Here's the pricing structure so you know exactly what to expect. Free plan, perfect for beginners or those testing the waters. It includes one funnel, 3 funnel steps, email marketing tools, and even the ability to sell one course or product. Startup plan. At $27 per month, it's great for small businesses. You get up to 10 sales funnels, 50 steps, unlimited email sends, and membership site hosting. Webinar plan. At $47 per month, this is ideal if you're running webinars or need automation features. It includes up to 100 funnel steps and advanced integrations. Unlimited plan. For $97 per month, it's designed for growing businesses that need unlimited funnels, email campaigns, and advanced affiliate management, no matter where you are in your journey. There's a plan that suits your needs and budget. The link for Systeme.io is in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it for offers and discounts. Okay, now. Key features. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with Systeme.io. For starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any coding or design skills to get started. The drag-and-drop editor makes building funnels and pages simple and fast. For email marketing, you can create automated workflows that save you hours of manual effort. You can design and schedule email campaigns to nurture leads, send follow-ups, and drive sales, all within the same platform. If you're a course creator, Systeme.io has your back. You can host your online courses, offer upsells, track student progress, and even bundle courses into membership packages to increase your revenue streams. For e-commerce entrepreneurs, Systeme.io lets you manage orders, accept payments, and set up affiliate programs to expand your reach, all without needing third-party plugins. Who is Systeme.io best for? This platform is ideal for beginners, thanks to its free plan and intuitive interface. Small businesses, looking for an affordable yet powerful tool. Course creators, who need seamless hosting and management for their content. Growing entrepreneurs, who want to scale with advanced features. Like unlimited funnels and email automation. Why choose Systeme.io? With Systeme.io, you're not just saving money, you're simplifying your entire workflow. Instead of juggling multiple tools like ClickFunnels, MailChimp, and Teachable, you can handle everything in one place. It's reliable, affordable, and incredibly easy to use. Ready to get started? If you're curious to see how Systeme.io can transform your business, I've left a link in the description for you to check it out. Give it a try and see how it works for your needs. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, tips, and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.